In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Canva to Facebook. If you've created a design in Canva and want it to appear on your Facebook page without downloading and re-uploading, this quick walkthrough is for you. Before we begin, make sure your design is open in Canva and that you have admin or editor access to the Facebook page you want to post to. You'll also want a stable internet connection. This publishing option connects specifically to Facebook pages, not personal profiles, which is perfect for businesses, brands, and community pages. With your project open, look to the top right corner of Canva and click Share. This button is your hub for exporting and publishing. A panel will open with several destinations. If you don't immediately see Facebook page in the list, click See All. That expands the full set of publishing options so you can select the correct one. Now, choose Facebook page. When you select it, Canva will open a new browser window or tab. This is Facebook's secure login and permissions screen. If you're already signed into Facebook in your browser, you may skip the login prompt. If not, sign in as you normally do. Your credentials are handled directly by Facebook in that window. After you're signed in, Facebook will ask you to allow permissions so Canva can post to your page. Approve the requested access. This is what enables Canva to send your design to Facebook on your behalf. If you manage multiple pages, you may be asked which page to connect. Select the page you want to publish to. You typically only need to grant these permissions the first time you connect. Future posts should go faster. Once permissions are confirmed, Canva links your accounts and sends the design to the selected Facebook page. You may see a brief confirmation in Canva while it processes. If nothing happens, check whether your browser blocked a pop-up and allow it, then try again. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook account that has the right page role. That's the whole process. For best results, create your design in dimensions that match how you'll display it on Facebook, like square for feed posts or horizontal for cover style visuals, so everything looks crisp. If a post doesn't appear, refresh Canva, confirm your page selection in the permissions window, and repeat the share, see all, and Facebook page steps. And that's it. You've learned how to publish straight from Canva to your Facebook page quickly and reliably with just a few clicks.